Hey guys, so I just realized that I have a year of high school left until I head to university, and for the past 17 years of my life, only now have I decided to start studying hard. Help me. So what do I do to improve my already horrible study habits?
You study.
I did a desk makeover. Because let's face it guys, it's totally my desk that's ruining my productivity and not myself. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this desk makeover. Let's get started. So my desk originally looked like this. It was very minimal and very clean, I guess. I swear to god, this desk was so empty and lacked so much character that I'm surprised that I still don't have clinical depression yet. Literally, my desk looks like a place where a psychopath would write his next murder plan or something. And I'm not a psychopath, I'm a sociopath. Yay, social commentary. All jokes aside, I wanted to add character to this desk. I want to put some more decor, so I decided to do that today. So the first thing I needed to do was to clear the desk. After cleaning the desk, the first agenda was to remake the wallboard in front of my desk. I got this for around $10 from a local DIY shop in the town, and I think it's pretty nice, it's pretty cute. You can put shelves, you can put pegs, and this thing that I still don't know the name of, so I'm just gonna call it pencil cylinder. I've transferred all my pens to this pencil cylinder thing because I wanted to make room for our first decor piece. And by decor, I mean butterfly knives. These were my butterfly knives I bought last year. This is a CSGO themed butterfly knife. It's a training knife, so the blade is not real. The blade is very thick, so you can hold it by the blade. How many times am I gonna say blade? The other one is a live blade coming from a local shop in here. And yeah, I cut myself like 5 times using this, but hey, worth it I guess. So I'm gonna be hanging these two on the wall because, I don't know, it adds character I guess. I'm also going to be hanging my house key so that's easily accessible from my desk. And to top it all off, I'm going to add this plant pot and I'm going to put this on top of the board shelf because it's cute and I like it. And the pot is black, which matches my whole aesthetic. Moving on to the desk itself, we're starting off with a transparent white drawer I found from Miniso for $5. I was contemplating on whether I really wanted to put this desk on the table, but then I realized, hey, my YouTube branding is actually based on the fact that your boy need to be
Aesthetic as f.
and the functionality of a drawer, I guess. And in the drawer on the top shelf, I'm going to be putting my washi tapes there. Now, I have to admit I don't really use washi tapes, I don't do journaling a lot, but I realized how useful they are when I'm doing work and I wanted to like bookmark a book or something. So yeah, all of my washi tapes are going here. On the second shelf, I'm going to be putting my skincare products so that it's easy to access. Whenever I'm done washing my face, I can just come back here and open this and get my my skincare products. And lastly, on the bottom shelf, I'm going to be putting all my wires and chargers and charging banks so that it's easy to access. Who knew a drawer would be so useful? Next, I'm going to be adding a bunch of my textbooks, my notebooks, and books in general to the side of this drawer. Luckily for me, all of these books are generally white or to some extent that color, so it matches the whole aesthetic. I'm also going to be putting these 2 books. This is actually a planner from my Halmoni and I really love it. It's really cute and I'm going to be putting it on my desk. The other one is actually my Bible. I thought it would be cute to put it in a case like this so that it's easy to access my Bible. Because your boy a Christian. God help me. And to top it all off, I found this really cute plant pot for my plant. I got this from a local shop and I think it was around $5. I don't remember, but it was not too expensive. So yeah, this is a great place to put my plant and wow, that looks really cute honestly. Moving on to the right side of the desk, I move my big plant over here. And I'm gonna be adding this ice bear trash can I got from Miniso. This was around $5, and I'm in love with We Bear Bears, especially Ice Bear. I really love him, so I wanted to buy stuff from Miniso that was Ice Bear themed. I'm such a weirdo. Isn't this just so cute? And beside it is my Google Home. I bought this a long time ago. This was around $30, I believe, and Google's pretty useful. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why can't a bicycle stand on its own? It's too tired.
Oh god, you make me wanna die. And lastly, I found this coaster from Miniso. As usual, it's Ice Bear again, and you know I love Ice Bear themed stuff, so I bought it, and it goes well with the black and white aesthetic I'm going for. Next, for the computer, I got this black stand for around $10, and this is where I'm going to be putting my laptop. It's great for airflow, and it's also great for not hurting my neck. I can align my monitor to my eye level so that my neck doesn't hurt. Although this stand is kinda low, I decided to elevate it a bit more with my book series. Don't worry, I already read it. It's Miss Peregrine. You should absolutely read it. It's a fun read. I'm gonna put this under, and then it will be elevated. And finally, for the peripherals, I'll be using my RK61 mechanical white keyboard and my Logitech black mouse. Yeah. And there you guys have it, my desk makeover. Now, I know it's not a huge transformation, but I feel like from my old desk, it's a huge jump. So I feel like my new desk right now, it's more cozy, it has more character basically. It doesn't scream that I'm a psychopath basically. But enough chit-chatting, here's the final result.